The Central Railway has received a formal approval to run air-conditioned local trains between Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus and Kalyan on an experimental basis. Central Railway started running 10 air-conditioned local train services on 17th December. Our journalists at Midday covered the AC local train services maiden run and reported the events live from the location. The first AC local train run by the Central Railway arrived at CSMT platform number 3 and was driven by motorman Shailesh Kamble. The train departed for Kurla at 9:18 am sharp. The Central Railway started operating 10 air-conditioned local train services on the main line on an experimental basis from 17th December for the permitted category of essential workers. These will not be an addition but will replace the existing train services. The first service will start from Kurla for CSMT at 5:42 am, while the last AC local will depart from CSMT for Kurla at 11:25 pm from Monday to Saturday and will halt at all stations. Central Railway has a fleet of 4 AC locals. While Central Railway officials said one train arrived in July from the Integral Coach Factory in Chennai, they had got the other 3 earlier. The first AC local in Mumbai started operating on 25th December 2017 on Western Railway. One AC local has also been inducted in service on Central Railway's Trans-Harbour line. While a normal 12-car local train carries 3,504 passengers, an AC local with vestibules, which provides seamless access between coaches, can ferry approximately 6,500 passengers. Although Central Railway officials said that their aim is to gauge the response of commuters and gather feedback about AC locals, users have reportedly slammed the move, saying not many are likely to take the expensive AC train. They are also upset that there will be fewer non-AC local services on the line, which will lead to crowding. Stay tuned for more updates.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.